Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Today is Mother's Day. My sisters and I have a little surprise that we have going on for my mama. We booked a nail appointment for her. She doesn't know anything about it, so I'm really excited. Hopefully everything works out. But anyway, I'm really bummed out that I didn't get to vlog my day yesterday. I had so much fun. I hung out with my friends who I haven't really hung out with in a really long time. Had a few drinks, you know what I'm saying? I was just having such a good time and like enjoying their company that I didn't really get to pull out my camera. Mama, let's go.
Go where?
Let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on.
I took off my bra.
Well, you have to put it back on.
Go anywhere.
Mama, we booked an appointment for you.
Where?
A nail appointment.
Where? What time?
3:30. Coco
Hi,
nails.
Coco.
Okay, come on. You have to go. 3:30. Come on. We are going to drop off my mom at her nail appointment. Ooh, it's hot out here. I'm driving.
Okay, now I need
I just finished prepping the ribs that we're having for dinner. So good. Wasn't planning on making ribs, but there wasn't any good steak pieces at the grocery store, so we're having ribs. And then we're gonna have some corn niblets, and then this is our, what's it called? Rib sauce.
Oh, a Coco nails? Couch.
Ew. Do you like your nail salon spa? Let's see.
I love it.
Wow.
She said this hand is
This is nice. This is a really nice hand.
than this one.
We're trying to figure out how to zoom because like some people put Snapchats where they're recording and then they all of a sudden zoom. we made a Snapchat trying to figure it out. She figured it out. Maybe go on settings. Oh! Maybe go on settings. Oh! Maybe go on settings. Oh!
That was really funny.
Ah!
We got a new car. Oh snap. Dying. Or maybe it's breaking. So Marjorie helped me with the grilling of my ribs. Of your ribs. Of my ribs. Don't poke me there, girl. We were struggling. It took so long, but success. So we just left Menchie's.
You say so every time you have on the camera.
What do you say?
Yeah.
Anyways, we just got to Menchie's. I got the Purely Tart frozen yogurt with the cheesecake and Oreos.